I just got fucking scammed buying this motherboard.
How's it going? How are you doing? Good. So there's nothing wrong with it, right? I'm assuming?
Not that I know of.
So I make YouTube videos building computers, and so I was going to put this on YouTube. Are you good with that?
Yeah, I'm good. Do whatever you do.
So here is your money.
All right.
Thank you.
Oh, you enjoy?
Yeah. So you don't know for sure if this thing doesn't work or works or anything?
I'm sure. I believe, like, it's never been used. I'm pretty sure. My brother, I know my brother just put the fan on there. He said he could have the fan.
Yeah.
And stuff like that. Am I going to be on, like, right now?
No. It's not live.
Oh,
it's
okay.
not live. Yeah. No.
What's happening?
Yeah. So cool. All right. Well, hopefully it all works.
Thank you, man.
Yeah, appreciate it.
God bless.
Yeah, have a good one. Actually, I feel a little weird. Oh, I mean, this looks like the correct motherboard. I hate that this thing is attached to it. This is not supposed to be on it. All right, you guys, what do you think? Think I got scammed? Check this thing out. Let's see. Did I get scammed? Gizmo, you gonna find out if I got scammed too? Gizmo, don't walk on that. Psst. Gizmo. Watch out. Move. Dude, can you get out of the way? I need to look. Not you. I need to look. Watch out. So this is broken. Here's a bad sign. Look at that. You can tell it was glued back on. You see that? Gizmo, get out of here. Get out of here. You're being a pain. You guys taking bets? Here, let's turn this on real quick. I can't see anything. Gizmo, dude. Cat, get out of the way. Move. All right, let's see. We either got a free processor or bent pens. Let's see what happens, huh? Let's see what happens. Oh no, I'm so scared. Oh, I am so scared. I should have brought a screwdriver with me. This thing is so cranked down. Oh my god. Oh, that's not good. Okay. Why? Why would they do that? Oh no. It's gonna be fucked, huh? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my fucking god. I just got fucking scammed. Look at that. Literally. Have you ever fucking seen so bad? Oh my god. Like 90% of the pins are bent.
First question, did you get your money back? Fuck no. They were obviously intentionally scamming me. That's why they put the cooler on there. I messaged him for my money back, and of course he refused. Why didn't you bring a screwdriver? Obviously I should have brought a screwdriver, but the listing description said it was new, never used. So there was no cooler, there's no reason to bring a screwdriver. But I should have. Why didn't you inspect the socket before handing over the cash? Because there was a cooler on it? Would you meet at a police station next time? Police station isn't going to stop you from getting scammed. I either would have accepted it or not accepted it regardless, right? The police are going to go after the guy. I have footage to prove who did it anyways. Did you notice red flags during the interaction? Like, not that I know of, or God bless. I mean, first of all, people say God bless all the time. I'm not going to not do a deal because someone says God bless. And yeah, not that I know of is for sure a red flag, right? Like, that's the whole point, is like, I'm entrusting other people that the parts work. If you buy used parts all the time, why wouldn't you bring a testing rig? I actually set up a testing rig to take to these type of deals. My whole channel is actually inspired by Danny from Nerd on a Budget doing marketplace deals. The thing is the normal person doesn't have a testing rig to bring to marketplace deals. And the whole reason FPS for Less was created was just to show that you could build really good gaming PCs for a lot less than you thought you could. And your average person isn't just gonna show up and have a testing rig. And so I wanted to put myself in the average person's shoes and just entrust that the person isn't going to screw you over. Let me give you guys a better look at it here. Here is a close up of the pin. You really can't see like well as I can, you know? See that? They are smashed to shit. Like every pin on the top half is bent, and a majority of the bottom ones are bent. Just smashed to shit. Well, there it is. Lesson learned. Bring a screwdriver. Can't expect to bring a whole testing rig, but you can definitely pull off a screwdriver. And fuck that guy.